Hey guys, I have a quick Walmart haul, clearance haul, mostly clearance haul. My daughter and I went to the Rhinebeck Sheep and Wool Festival. You might have seen my video up there of my slideshow. I have other stuff coming to put up too. But my daughter, we've been passing the felting booth for a while because my daughter knits and everything, and I go up there mainly for her. She knits very, very well, but she finally bought a felting set, and then I wanted to get one later. I saw they gave her a foam block. I mean, she bought a foam block to go with it because that's how you felt. I never knew that. And I'll do some felting videos. So anyway, I picked this up at Walmart because I didn't get one there. This is similar to that. And I'll tell you more about my felting. But that was like 97 cents. Okay. Then you might remember last... Oh, you know what? Why do I have two of these? That's funny, because I guess I already had one. That's crazy. Okay, so maybe, yeah, I don't know. I'm losing my mind here. But I got one there. Maybe I bought two, who knows. Then I saw these Harvest Pumas. These were really nice colors, and these were 98 cents. Let's see, what's this one? 98 cents. Very nice. And this one also 98 cents. And then I got, because I have crochet hooks, and I was going to do it like last night, because I used to crochet a while when I was a kid. My mother taught me, she was very good. And I was just going to just do something simple. You know, I never got to it last night because I was editing pictures and stuff from the festival. But these, I bought 3 crochet hooks because I wasn't sure where mine were. And these were only like $1.28 a piece. And these are by Boy in different sizes, so I picked those up. And then, you might remember, I hauled these from the last Walmart clearance, and they were $3. See, $3. So now they're down to $1.50. And you know what? They had quite a few, right? So I think I bought 4 sets. Let me see. But they had at least another 3 or 4. I almost wish I had gotten them now, because I was thinking like, okay, see, they were down to $1.50. What was I, was there anything else I could use them for? And I wasn't really thinking then. I picked up 4 because I figured, wow, I just paid double that, and then they're normally $6, right? And the reason, they still have Charlie Dog there, but they changed the color, I think, of this piece and the one in back. So they're selling out this older variety. Then was last night or something, I thought, you know what I could do with this? Maybe if I can, let me see if I can show you what I'm thinking. I'm thinking that, and now that makes me wish I had gone back and picked them all up, but that I may be able to make like a half apron with that in the front, like with that in the front, right? With that nice pretty, with the rickrack and the gingham. And then maybe, of course, ironing these pieces, but using some of this on the sides or the back. I mean, like cutting the back in half and then right down the middle, you're following me? So I have to see what patterns I can find, and then I could use this if I did that with that, and probably go like this and make the apron ties out of this, and also could like contrast it like up there and then have the ties. So I thought that might be cute. So I think I'm going to try at least to do that with one set. And that makes me think I wish I had gotten more. So you can make some pretty nice aprons even as gifts for $1.50 in Pioneer Woman style, right? So anyway, I picked up 4 sets of those, and I have other sets from the $3 haul. And let's see, I picked up these two Camaros for my kids. And there wasn't, I mean, I got some pumpkins and things like that, real pumpkins, but I just wanted to show you that quick haul. I don't think there was anything else that I picked up. Oh yeah, hold on. This little pair of monkey shoes. These were on clearance for $3. So those were so cute. But I think that's it from Walmart. But I have a lot of other things coming up. I have a Instapot that we're going to unbox and then do a demo on. I have the meal tea pot, which I have a beef stew recipe I have to get up there for you guys. It's already taped. I just have to go through and, you know, edit everything, get it all together. And then I have a bunch of other products. We have giveaways coming up. I have another clay pot cooker coming up. So stay tuned and enter the giveaways that are on the blog now. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great one. Bye-bye.